Okay, picture this. You're at the airport, your heart's pounding, you're digging through your bag like it's a black hole, and that little voice in your head is shouting, "Where's my passport?" Yeah, I've been there too, and trust me, it's not a cute look. Hey, I'm here to help you travel smarter, not harder. So today, I'm sharing my go-to system to keep your travel documents and itinerary organized, so your next trip is stress-free from takeoff to touchdown. Let's dive in with the first absolute must-a-travel document folder. I use a simple zippered pouch, nothing fancy, but it's a game changer. In it, I stash my passport, boarding passes, printed itineraries, and those tiny but mighty visa slips. Pro tip, add a bright tag or sticker so you can spot it instantly in your bag. Now, digital backup is your new best friend. Snap photos or scan every document, passport, IDs, tickets, even hotel confirmations. Save them in a dedicated travel folder on your phone and upload to your cloud drive. If anything gets lost or stolen, you're covered. Before I forget, hit that like button if you've ever had a travel panic moment. And subscribe for more travel hacks. You'll want these for your next adventure. Next up, itinerary organization. I love using a simple app like Google Keep or Notes to jot down my day-by-day plan. Nothing fancy, just the essentials: hotel addresses, reservation numbers, and key activities. I even include emergency contacts and embassy info, just in case. And for the overpackers, listen up. Last summer, I packed in a rush for a big trip, shoved everything into my suitcase, and of course left my charger tangled in another bag. Cue the stress, the frantic airport shopping, and the not-so-happy wallet. Now, I have a checklist on my phone that I tick off as I go. It sounds simple, but it saved me from so many headaches. Another tip, keep a slim pouch for health essentials, meds, insurance cards, and a tiny first aid kit. It's one of those things you hope you won't need, but you'll be glad you have it if you do. Ready to transform your travels? Make your own travel pack. One pouch for documents, one for health, and your digital backups everywhere you go. Trust me, you'll feel like a total pro breezing through security, and you'll have more headspace for the good stuff: exploring, relaxing, and making memories. If this helped, drop your favorite travel hack in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mastering your adventures stress-free. Safe travels and happy organizing.